Luxury staycation na hindi ka ma-intimidate? Saan kaya pwede yun? Para sa mga naghahanap ng perfect getaway, whether family reunions, barkada trips, or special celebrations, may staycation kaming na-discover sa Santa Rita, Pampanga na luxurious pero sobrang welcoming. Pero worth it nga ba ang 1-hour travel from our place? Welcome to Grand Mac Villa, Zone 1, Dila-dila, Santa Rita, Pampanga. Guys, this is one of the most luxurious staycations we had. Pero at the same time, an intimidating place to relax or have a vacation. Coming here, traveling almost an hour from our place, I can say more than worth it. In my opinion, the structure looks like a countryside barn house that was elegantly and modernly designed. Yung facade pa lang, parang tinatawag ka na pumasok. Before entering the house, may small-sized pool. Good enough for adults to dip, pero for kids, they can freely swim and enjoy. Now let's talk about the structure. It has 3 main sections. Let's start with the middle section, dining area and kitchen. Yung dining table, it's huge. It can fit more than 10 people at the same time. The kitchen has complete amenities for cooking and preparing food. Plus, may access to a dorm-type bedroom that could fit around 20 people to relax and sleep. Perfect for big groups. Then, the right section. Spacious living room area na pwedeng mag-fit ng almost 20 people. Entertainment section for videos or music and indoor table games. Lahat nandyan. This section has 2 rooms. One on the second level and one on the ground floor. These 2 rooms can comfortably accommodate around 10 people. Lastly, yung left section. And this is my favorite place, the master's bedroom. Guys, grabe to. May sariling living room area, 2 king-size beds, and a huge comfort room. Yung CR, sobrang laki. Separate yung toilet and bath. May his and hers lavatory din. And in the middle, bathtub na perfect for hot dip. Just pure relaxation. Given a chance, you would definitely wanna go back. The Grand Mac Villa, located at Santa Rita, Pampanga, it's a luxury without intimidation. Follow us for more staycation finds in Pampanga. Like kung plano mong mag-book dito and comment how many kayo. Then save this para sa next getaway ninyo dito na.